Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Vanishing Point tool to add artwork to this wall in perspective. First, I am going to insert the artwork that will be placed on the wall. I'm going to rasterize each of these layers by right-clicking Rasterize Layers. And with one of them selected, I'm going to either Command click on the thumbnail to select all or Control A to select all. Command C to copy. Deselect using Command D, and I'm going to create a new layer just above the background. Next, go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Here we are going to create the planes of this vanishing point. You may need to zoom out. All right, once this looks correct, I am going to do a Command V to paste in our copied artwork. And now we can transform with Command T or selecting the transform. I'm going to resize this. It looks rather stretched. Let's call that one good. I just hit return on the keyboard, and this is on its own layer now. You can see if we do go back to Filter, Vanishing Point, for some reason we are unable to edit this again. We can go ahead and paste new artwork in. Let me just show you. Let's go ahead and reveal another one of the artworks, and let's do Control A or Command A, Command C to copy. Go back to this layer with a vanishing point, go to Filter, Vanishing Point. If we paste, we can paste into this vanishing point again. It is just very stretched. All right, let's go ahead and click OK. You can see we do want the shadow here, the realistic shadow from the light being over here. One thing we may want to do is create a mask and create that shadow separately. Holding down Shift, I'm going to select the other artwork. And now I'm going to inverse my selection, select inverse or Command Shift I and cut. Now I'm going to add a drop shadow with the effects in the layers panel. And we want the angle to be from that window. Distance is going to be a little bit off. Much less opacity and some softness to it. Maybe we want to do 2 drop shadows. So one is a little bit harder than the other. All right, that's looking pretty good. So as I mentioned before, even when we go into edit the vanishing point, if you plan to resize the pasted artwork, unfortunately you're going to have to redraw. You're going to have to create a new layer to redraw and place those. It does seem a bit strange. This is very bright, so we may want to sample this wall color using the eyedropper. And in the effects, go to solid color. And we're going to clip this by navigating between the layers. We're going to clip it to the artwork. And I'm going to choose multiply and give it just enough so it's not so bright. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.